Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we're going to be talking about windshield insurance. Windshield insurance pays to repair or replace a car's windshield when it's damaged. This coverage is typically included in other types of car insurance, but some states require insurers to sell separate glass policies. If your windshield is damaged in a car accident, it will be covered by your own collision insurance or the other driver's liability coverage, depending on who was at fault. If the damage is caused by something other than an accident, like vandalism or a natural disaster, then you can use comprehensive insurance. Using your collision or comprehensive insurance for your windshield could mean that you have to pay a deductible. But it depends on your state and insurance company. Some states require insurance companies to waive deductibles for both windshield repair and replacement, while others require insurers to give motorists the option of choosing a $0 glass deductible. Even where it's not required, most major insurance companies will waive your deductible if the windshield only sustained minor damage that doesn't warrant a full replacement. As a general rule, minor damage is anything that doesn't puncture the glass and is no larger than the size of a dollar bill. When you're dealing with windshield insurance, there are a few things you can do to make things easier. First, don't file an insurance claim if it's not going to save you any money. It's possible that your deductible will be higher than the cost of a new windshield, in which case, it's better to just pay out of pocket. You should also consider using an aftermarket windshield instead of a windshield from your car's original equipment manufacturer, since it's cheaper and usually it's the same quality. Finally, consider repairing minor damage yourself. For small chips and cracks, you can purchase a repair kit from your local auto parts store. Just be sure to fix the damage quickly so that the damage doesn't get worse. If you're looking for affordable windshield insurance, your best bet is to purchase a cheap full coverage policy. Luckily, we can help you get started. To see WalletHub's rankings for the best cheap full coverage car insurance, just click the button here.